Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that auto brightness is disabled, so in order to enable it, click on the same tile again. You can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then click on Brightness Level and use this switcher next to Automatic Brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!